It was the mentorship. That was the big thing. I was with a group before, promised a lot of the same things. They're like, hey, yeah, we're going to show you to do this. And it's real easy, it's simple. And then by the end, you're going, I need help with this. And you don't hear from them. So they only had one person helping, and they never helped. And so, like I said, I saw ads for, I saw Sebastian a bunch of times, made the call, didn't think it was for me because I thought maybe y'all were looking for somebody that was, y'all were looking for something different. But the second I got on the phone with Brian, he's like, no, man, you are who we're looking for. And so they talked about the process of the mentorship, the check-in calls and walking you through it. I was like, holy crap, that's what I need. I was the easiest sale in the world. I was like, what do you need? What do you need from me? So, no, this is what I want. I know you guys are what I need. So I knew I sucked at not being able to talk with business owners, provide results. And you guys literally walked through everything that I needed. You hit all the pain points as me as an agency owner. And so immediately I was like, nope, perfect. And the last thing, or the biggest thing, was you guys actually gave a crap. You cared about us, and you continue to care. And that, I think, those were the biggest things that kept me, they got me here. I didn't care what the cost was. Like, figure out a way. Like, as long as you're willing to put in the work, like, yes, you have to work. Like, that's with anything. If you're willing to put in the work, they're going to help you. They're going to do anything to make you successful. Like, that's what they care about. Yes, they have their own agencies, but they only care about making sure you guys are successful. And that's just the biggest thing. Like, they care. They really care. And they show that. And so that's something that, like the other groups I've had, they're just like, here's a course, they want to swipe your credit card. And the same thing they teach us with clients. Care about the businesses you help. So really, the process from the top down is what they care. So, like, figure out a way, find a way, work with these guys. I promise you, like, I haven't regretted a decision yet. Not one day have I gone by and go, this was a bad idea. Not one time. So